Goblet lateral squat. Most leg training happens in a forward and back direction, but your body is designed to move side to side as well. The lateral squat trains the quadriceps, glutes, and adductors, while improving hip mobility and single leg stability. Push through your whole foot to return to the starting position. Dumbbell split squat. One reason this exercise works so well is that you train one leg at a time. That gives each side the chance to do its own work instead of relying on the stronger leg to take over. Over time, that can help improve side-to-side strength while challenging your quads, glutes, and adductors.